everybody, welcome to Medling World. Currently here, Celebration, Florida Town Center. Yes, we do have a pumpkin patch in town. Come on in, check it out. So guys, yeah, I'm going to take you for a little walk around this pumpkin patch, and I'm going to tell you something. It has definitely gotten bigger in the last several years that I've lived here in town, but you're going to find it here at the community. Okay, I'm going to do my best. Presbyterian Church, right here on the corner. This is Town Center as you're coming down. This is Celebration Avenue. So it's at the corner of Celebration Avenue and Sycamore. Let's have a look around here, guys. Also, just to let you know, another event coming up. Looks like Sunday, October 19th, 11 to 2, the Hooftacular Costume Contest for your pets with prizes. Oh, very cool. Check this out, though. This is kind of cool. I believe it is open daily. And, of course, it is to help support the church here. You can do donations. You don't even have to buy a pumpkin. But I'm just going to kind of take you through. Oh, here's the hours. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. You guys can have a look. Actually, I could probably walk on there, I think. But it looks like it's open every day except for Tuesdays. 11 to 7 on Monday and Wednesday and Thursday, and then Fridays till 8. What do you say we have a look around? Yeah, it's much bigger than I can remember. Let's go have a look. I want to invite everybody, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Let's walk as we enter here through Oogie Boogie. It's decorated very nicely, and of course, Celebration, Florida. The town Disney built, right? So there is some Disney theming also here. Got nice little pumpkins. I think it's just really cool. And yes, it does remind me of being, like I can say, back home up north where I live, because there was tons of these pumpkin patches. Put my umbrella down momentarily. Let's have a look in here, guys. Boom. Oh, and I can smell hay. You don't smell hay a lot in Central Florida. It's been a long time since I smell hay. I feel like I'm at a fair. A fair in the northeast part of the country. But of course we have that theming. Tons of pumpkins. And if I remember right, the prices of the pumpkin is by weight here. So you can walk through. I mean, you got the R2-D2 here. Kind of give you a little walk through. They got some gourds as well. Different colored pumpkins. Right now they got that hay all covered up, probably because of the rain, maybe. Let's take a walk out here. I like all these here. So buy a pumpkin, help a neighbor, they're saying. Look at that big Mickey. I'm also going to take a walk after down the street there. There is like, today is a busy day here this morning. They're doing a town yard sale. I believe they do it biannually, like a couple times a year. And today is the day. It runs like, it's like 4 or 5 hours up until 2 o'clock. But I think down by Lakeside they have some tables set up. That I would show you. I don't want to go around the neighborhood right now and blast people's houses and what they're selling. I don't want to do that on the channel. But I do want to let you know there is a yard sale here. And you can get some good stuff here at Celebration. And they do it twice a year. More pumpkin here. And then some more theming. Let's walk in here. So, looks like, oh, this is like a kid's zone in here. Pumpkin patch volunteer. So you can come here and volunteer for some of your time. Looks like they do have a little photo op there for kids. Some more gourds. And then, of course, because of with the church, you know, they're giving you a little bit of the Bible lesson here. Yeah, you can do with pumpkins. Embrace, that's part of the community. Helping other members of our community embrace. And then there's where you're going to pay, guys, right there. Morning, guys. And we come around out here. I will tell you this. They're not going to run out of pumpkins here anytime soon. Take a look this way. You can see how big that is. And you can see here too, because some of the yard sale here, they're actually doing a little bit of a yard sale here. They also have, like, over here, you can get, like, I've never actually been in here. I want to try to go in that. It's like a little shop. Let's go back there and see. So, guys, in here they have, like, you can get little coffees and stuff in here too. This is pretty nice. So, yeah, you can come in here, get a little bit of coffee. Very limited stuff, but still it helps. All it is helps with the church. And this is part of the yard sale that's going on. I know that at one point, I think Jake ended up going to camp there a couple times, you know, during the summer, a few summers ago. They had like a camp, and I remember right, yeah, he did go, he went maybe 4 or 5 times, but it's very good for the community, with the youth, especially in the community. And I remember the camp was very organized. He did like different activities. But he went for like a few days, just to check it out. But yeah, so that's everything about the church. I'm actually kind of glad I went over there, because I had never gone into the little coffee shop. But basically what that is, it's just to help support the church. It's all volunteer. It's a lot of kids around there helping. So it's pretty cool. But I do want to take a walk down by Lakeside just to see what's going on down there. As we take a nice walk, even though it's a rainy morning, man, it's just so peaceful this morning here in Celebration. And just for the record, you know, when it comes to, you know, the church, I'm not here to, you know, promote any certain religion or anything like that. On our vlogs, I think if you follow us, actually please take a moment, subscribe. We're giving you information, we're showing you different things that happen in town. So please don't think I'm trying to say you should go to this church or anything like that. Of course, that's entirely your own decision. But I do want to show you some of the different things that are going on in town if you're interested. I think I see some action over here by Lakeside. Let's go check it out. I'm back under my umbrella. It's my universal umbrella, and it broke. The handle broke. This like came flying out, and I heard something hit the ground. Let's see if I can find my piece. But yeah, all of a sudden it just started pouring out. But I'm glad I got this nice big umbrella with me. So yes, down here, Lakeside, I feel like, I guess I can feel for the people that want to do the yard sale with the rain. It's got to be difficult, especially in the residential areas. You know, you put stuff outside. I'm sure not everybody has a tent. But let's have a look down here anyway. You can get an idea of what goes on. I love to show the events here at Celebration and all around Celebration where we vlog. We vlog everything on Medling World, all kinds of things. In fact, I may come tomorrow and do the farmer's market. We'll see. I'm going to do it soon. We got the food truck there. Couple food trucks, actually. I'm just going to do a walkthrough here for you guys as you hang out with Medling World today. Of course, Roberta, my wife, part of Medling World, who works at Universal, and Jake, our son, part of Medling World, who goes to school here in Celebration. And you got me, Matt. Just different things going on there. Win a prize. Well, I'm glad I got this umbrella, man. Although, people would seem to be a little bit prepared. Oh my gosh, that's a double ARP. Yeah, I'm 51. Maybe I should go sign up. Ah, not yet. And then you can see everybody covering up. So this is, you can come here and, like, if you're part of the community, you can rent like a table. I think it's fairly cheap, but what it does is people can just come and walk right through here. Almost like a flea market, you know, if you think about a flea market. Rather than drive all around, but it is all around the neighborhood. Where you can see all the different things. It's a yard sale, man. And it's kind of neat that you can do it. Celebration has a lot of, you know, the HOA and the management company of the town is strict. There's a lot of rules here. HOA very much enforced in Celebration. So when there's an opportunity, you can't just have a yard sale whenever you feel like it, basically is what I'm trying to say. It has to be approved through the HOA and everything like that. So this is a great opportunity for a lot of the neighbors. And you can see, just to give you an idea, I don't think I need to go all the way down, but I can kind of show you also part of, you got tennis courts. There's a lot of organized activities too here too through the town. They got the basketball hoops. It's a nice area. We got the pool there. Residential area here. This is also used when there's no event here. You can, as a resident with your residential sticker for your vehicle, you can park here. So there's always, you know, usually it's never a problem to find parking if you wanted to come down to town center on a nice rainy day. All right, let's head out. Well, guys, you know, I am of that age. Let me go see about AARP. I don't know anything about it, really, honestly. I think you get discounts and things. Let's go find out. So the AARP tent, you couldn't sign up for it there. It was just a game. But I did win. You had to throw. I didn't record it because it was kind of hard to record and play. But I did good. It was like a axe throwing, but it was like, you know, obviously wasn't real axes, but you kind of like threw them and it would stick. Kind of like one of those felt dartboard, not felt, but the plastic dartboards with the all the little pegs. It was like that, so it was pretty fun. I'll show you what I won, actually. I won it's like a little screwdriver set. It's got these little screwdrivers in there. And I need them because they're really small and they work on like glasses and stuff. Because yeah, I'm 51, although there was some trivia questions about, you know, retirement and things, and then at the end it said, oh, would you like to sign up? And she said, oh, hit skip, and I said, but I actually want to sign up, and you couldn't sign up. So they have the AARP. I got the screwdriver set, I guess, but it was just to kind of play the game, really, is all it was, but that's okay, something to do. So there you have it, guys, as the sun is trying to come back out here. A little update of what's going on here in Celebration, Florida. Give you an idea of information about that yard sale they have. I think it's a couple times a year. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure. Seemed like there was one about 6 months ago or so. And then of course the pumpkin patch is why I originally came, and then just kind of incorporate a little bit of the yard sale on it. So a few things going on if you're coming down to Celebration, Florida, Town Center. Guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!